How to easily use synonyms in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then simply open a sample Google document. So in here, how do we use synonyms? To do that, what we need to do is to highlight first the word that we want to search as synonym. After that, simply tap on this extensions option, and then in here tap on this one look thesaurus. After that, tap on the synonyms option. And then in here at the right part of the screen, as you can see, it is now showing synonyms of that word. So how do you get this one look thesaurus on your Google Docs? So to get the app, what we need to do is to tap on this extensions option, and then in here tap on this add-ons, and then tap on this get add-ons. After that, go to the search bar and then type here one look thesaurus. So in here, as you can see, it says uninstall because I already have the app. If you still don't have the app, it should say here install. So that's how easy we can use synonyms in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!